What's up, Finance Forge crew? Struggling to build savings? Today we're taking on the $1,000 in 30 days challenge, perfect for young adults starting their journey to financial independence. It's realistic with no extreme cuts needed. We'll use smart hacks tailored for 2025's gig economy and apps. Ready? Let's get saving. Week 1. Track your expenses with a free app like Mint for a full week. Then, cut $250 by ditching unused subscriptions. On average, young adults waste $40 a month. And start meal prepping instead of takeout, saving about $50 a week. Week 2. Increase your income by $300 through side hustles. Apps like TaskRabbit or Uber Eats are popular in 2025. Spend 5-10 hours earning extra. Also, sell unused stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Gen Z averages $200 a month reselling. Week 3. Automate your savings. Transfer $250 into a high-yield account offering around 4.5%. Use roundup features on apps like Chime to save spare change. Call your provider to negotiate bills and save $20, monthly. Week 4. Make the final push with no-spend weekends and free entertainment. Parks, YouTube workouts. Cash in rewards from credit cards responsibly, or use apps like Rakuten for shopping rebates. Pro tip: make it fun. Track your progress on a visual chart. If debt is an issue, focus on paying off high-interest debt first to free up more cash. By day 30, you'll have saved $1,000 and developed new money habits. Who's joining the challenge? Comment below. Smash that like button, subscribe to Finance Forge, and turn on notifications for more money wins. Catch you soon.